What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make it so you can click to teleport your character anywhere. So first, you're going to insert object and local script into the starter pack. You're going to get rid of the print hello world. You're going to define your player, which is game.players.localPlayer. You're going to define the player's mouse as player :get mouse. Then you're going to connect to the left click, which is button 1 down. You're going to connect to that, make a function. Then you're going to get local hit equals mouse.hit. So wherever it hits, if hit, then the local target position equals hit.p, or the vector of the position. Then local character equals player.character. And then you want to check if character and character, and you can find its first child, which is the humanoid root part, which basically means there's a character there. You don't want to just teleport something random. Then you want to offset the vector so you don't teleport into the ground. I'm going to make it so it goes 5 blocks up in the Y. I forgot the 3 there. It's vector3.new. And then character dot humanoid root part dot cframe equals cframe dot new, and then target position plus offset. Now if we play this, now as you can see, whenever I click, it teleports me to wherever I clicked. I can click all the way over here and it'll teleport me all the way over here. And basically that's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.